Hello, everyone. I'm Tommy. I'm the creator of Tommy Types, the website blog that I made for, of course, CCOM for this semester. So I'll just share my screen and kind of walk you through the site um, and let you know sort of my experience with the semester and everything, and how my writing improved or changed, or what kind of challenges I faced. So this is the homepage of the site. I try to go for a very simple design with a color scheme I thought looked nice. Um, yeah, a lot of my content, especially towards the end, was sort of hip hop rap based. So I didn't want anything too flashy. I wanted to keep it kind of simple to sort of reflect that. Um, and you can see here my menu that I've created. So I have home. So home includes all the blog posts that I've created. The first three here are part of my final portfolio. And if you were to keep scrolling, you'd get to eventually every single blog that I've made. Of course, the blog menu item includes all the blogs that aren't part of the final portfolio, including the ones that I revised. Of course, the original copy of what I've revised, and then the final portfolio contains the posts that I've revised. I'll just quickly scroll through. These two are the posts that I've revised, and the original post that I created um, as part of my final portfolio. So I chose these two posts to revise. The first one here was my review blog of, I chose to do an album by rapper Bladee called Exeter. And so I was pretty happy, of course, with my original version. But the professor let me know that I should add some more evaluative statements and that it was more of a summary than a review. So I tried to do that in this new one by adding some more personal anecdotes about how I felt what he did on the album was, if it worked effectively, if it didn't work effectively, what could be improved. I try to add a little bit more of that. Um, and I like the design of this one. I think it works really nice. Of course, it's not my design. I just chose one, but and then this post for my digital cultural backgrounder, I chose the Soldier Boy Drake meme. And so in my original post, I sort of struggled to highlight sort of the timeline of how the meme circulated the internet. So I tried to do that a little bit more with this post. I sort of created more of a timeline where I outlined sort of from when the original interview happened, how memes sort of progressed after that, where did it go from there. There was an SNL skit done. But anyway, you'd have to read my blog if you want to get the full details. But I tried to do that a little bit more and really try to outline the spread of the meme throughout the internet. So those are my two revisions that I made. Um, and then, of course, my final one, I decided to do another sort of backgrounder with a bit of a twist. So I kind of detailed the background of ASMR content, if you know what that is, on YouTube, and how it's changed and evolved throughout the years. And then I actually made my own ASMR video. You'll have to check that out at the end of the blog. And let me know. Comment, please, if you liked it. If you didn't like it, do you like ASMR? Do you find it creepy or weird? I'd love to know. So give me a comment. Just generally over the course of the semester in terms of my writing, just reflecting a bit on that, I found that I would kind of fall into, I'm from a science background, so I would fall into sort of some more kind of like science report based writing, where I would really try to like sort of present the facts in a very unbiased way. But I kind of realized with blogging that there kind of needs to be some sort of bias involved when you're trying to appeal or you're trying to target a certain audience and use a certain style. So that was a bit of a challenge for me, trying to yeah, really hone what I wanted to do, like who I wanted to target, and how did my language, how did my style, how did the design reflect what I wanted to accomplish and who I wanted to see my blog. So that was cool, and I think I improved on that throughout the semester. Um, and so what does the future hold for me in terms of writing the internet? Well, I definitely feel much more comfortable if I needed to sort of create a site like this. Um, and the design aspect of it was definitely my favorite part. Kind of sort of consolidating the final portfolio. I had a really great time just trying out different styles, different colors, themes, and fonts and stuff like that to create sort of the style that I wanted to represent. That was a really that was really fun for me, and as well the blogging was a lots of fun too. It's great to see everyone comment and interact. But yeah, the future of writing, I'm definitely going to be more conscious of what my message is, um, who might see it, and if I want them to see it, how might I go about increasing sort of the chances of that happening. Um, but yeah, overall, I had a really great time exploring blogging and writing the internet this semester. And I hope you did too. And I hope you check out my site, leave some comments. I'd love to interact and see what you guys think. So thanks so much.